we do not work here. Alright, we are volunteering. We all used to work here, but we like blowing stuff up a lot, so we came back. Alright, we are both engineers. I build spaceships. Brittany builds missiles. Alright, the side quest that just sucks you in, it is a black hole of awesome. Alright, you guys are all going to get sucked into science. You guys like science? Yeah! Awesome, you're already sucked into the black hole of awesome. Alright, so you guys ready to see some awesome science?
Well, we have lots of really cool experiments for you guys here today. As you mentioned, we're going to have some fire, we're going to have a lot of different things, and of course we're going to have music. And what is science without music? It's not nearly as fun unless you have a lot of stuff going on. What should we be doing? gonna shake this vigorously too and see if anything happens. Are you ready? Can you see what this is? It's an egg! Do you think this is gonna fit in the bottle? I'm gonna make it fit in the bottle. Who in here thinks I can do it? Alright, let's see. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this piece of paper and light it and put it inside of the bottle. Now this is going to create a vacuum. Come on guys, look at it!
Guys ready? Yeah! 3, 2, 1.
want you to do is put that under your balloon and not pop your balloon. You have to put it closer than that. Closer. Closer. A little bit more. All right. Oh, you're rude. Pop. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, but mine's not gonna pop.
I approve that it will. I approve that it will. That's because she did. That's because she did. That's a water balloon. That's a water balloon. Water. That's a water balloon. Yes, that's a water balloon.
Cheating? I'm using science to win.
Water there. Water. 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 Can do something way cooler than that. Pretty obvious. And since you wrote water on the front. There's
Alright, you guys ready for some super awesome science? Alright, ready? You guys don't sound ready at all. Are you guys ready?
It's still going. And going. And going.
Hey, Brittany.
What, Em?
You wanna play with some cold stuff?
I'm so down, I'm below zero.
I feel one. What do you
Alright, now what I have right here is something that's really, really cool.
And as you guys can see, it is literally really cool. The outside of the container is covered in ice. Now what I have in here is liquid nitrogen. It is really, really, really cold. Can anybody guess how cold it is?
Below
Really below zero. This is 320 degrees below zero. So it's really cool.
That's not cool. Alright, this is really cool. I have something called dry ice. You guys know what dry ice is? Yes, it is frozen carbon dioxide. It is 106 degrees below zero. And mine can do this. Alright, you guys did something called sublimation. You guys know what sublimation is? No, it's fun to say. Say it with me. Sublimation. Alright, sublimation is when something goes directly from a solid to a gas. So dry ice never becomes a liquid.
Liquid nitrogen is really cool. It doesn't have quite a cool word like sublimation. But it is still really cool. And it's much cooler than yours. My clock is working. Oh! Did you guys see? It changed color! This one, it used to be green. Mine isn't working yet, so we're gonna keep watching this one.
This one's orange. Alright, so mine might not be as cold as Brittany's, but I can make small explosions. You guys want to see a small explosion?
I can make small explosions too.
Look, that one's turning orange.
Oh, mine's changing too. I'll change first.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't come in.
And I'm going to take this balloon right here. Does it look weird at all?
No.
This is just a balloon. It has air inside of it. What do you think is going to happen when I put it inside of the liquid nitrogen? Well, let's see.
It's gonna shrink. It's gonna shrink.
Now what happens is the air inside of the balloon got really, really cold. And when air gets really, really cold, it gets really close together and gets really small. So it compresses. Now when you warm it back up, the balloon is back to normal because the air is back to normal.
That is cool. That's not cool. This is cool. All right, what color is this?
Yellow.
Blue.
Red.
Orange.
Green.
All right, you guys all passed kindergarten. Yay! All right, so who hasn't passed kindergarten? You know your colors you passed. All right, we're gonna put some jazz in here and see what happens. I want you guys to watch it really, really closely. These are all really big pieces.
It's changing colors. It's red. It's red. Black and green. The black and green. I know. Yellow. Because it's Steve.
Something called an indicator solution that measures acids and bases. And when we put the dry ice in, it changed the chemical makeup of what was in these before, so that changed colors. Is that cool? Yeah. It's way cooler than that balloon thing, right?
No.
What do you guys think is going to happen to these flowers when we put it inside of our baby balloon? What do you think is going to happen? Oh, let's find out.
Or they die. You're gonna die.
It is Peru's.
I can do that too! Yeah, I got acetone! It is nail polish I can make flowers for you too. You guys ready? See? Mine's frozen too. Mine's better.
Yeah, it's got to be
Mine's better.
Alright, now she thinks the head is so cool. I'm going to show you guys a really cool trick after she tries to get her flowers.
Mine's better.
Alright, are you guys ready for something much cooler than that? Alright, can we get a countdown starting from 5?
3, 2, 1.
It is so cold that all of this water that was just poured
light her